It's fucking news time! Yeah! Good morning, afternoon, or evening. We have a hot topic to discuss today, and it's not the shop.
We'll be discussing the recent controversy about TF2 spy replicas.
And also the invasion that is currently happening. Recently, it's come to the public's attention that the very popular Spy TF2 life-size replicas are actually bombs. The government has issued this message about this.
We here at the government say do not buy TF2 replicas. They are bombs. Do not buy them. And definitely do not bring them to your bed. Your local 7-Eleven. Your local basement. And definitely not to the left. That is all.
Currently, the creator of TF2 spy replicas is being sued for $1 bajillion. Let's go see what's going on over at the courthouse.
We hereby begin the trial of Engineer Robot v. everyone else. What does the plaintiff say?
We are suing this robot for $1 bajillion because he lightly grazed my left ankle. My left ankle is my favorite ankle.
I don't care.
You want? I beg your pardon?
What does the defendant have to say about this? No.
How does this work? How can he get away with grazing my favorite ankle?
So it is settled. Not guilty. That was the fastest court case I've ever seen. What the hell? Anyways, we're currently being invaded by a force of mountains with spy heads on them. Nobody knows where they came from or how they got here, but suspected that they are the ones manufacturing the bombs, as all we've seen more and more spies everywhere. Here's Jones on the site with a survivor of the explosion. Ya think they're ever gonna switch to us? Oh, they did? Oh, hey dude, how the hell are you alive?
I'll sell propane and propane accessories.
That's great, but how are you alive?
Propane and propane accessories.
God damn.
And that is all for today at Newsman
Thank you for tuning in to Newsman News.
Newsman out.
What the fuck?